welcome again to my channel. My name is DIY Dose. No, my name is Torera, and you're welcome to DIY Dose. I share affordable lifestyle ideas with a dose of DIY ideas. You're going to love this channel. Just subscribe. Today I'm going to be talking about something really important, and that is how to edit for YouTube. If you're interested in this, keep on watching. So a lot of people think that editing is really hard, but trust me, it's not hard. I remember the very first time that I edited a video, I actually edited a documentary and it won an international award.
I can't believe I'm here. This is the first time I'm facing such a crowd.
And I had never done it before. Or even if I had done it, I hadn't done it on a professional level. Yet it was still something. Start from where you are. I always say that, and build up to where you want to be. The app that I use is iMovie, and I sometimes edit on my phone, which I'm going to show you at the end of the video, but most of the time I edit on my laptop because it gives me enough flexibility. And I'm going to show you, by the time I show you my work process, you would understand why I prefer to edit on my laptop as opposed to my phone. But if your phone is all you have, you can absolutely replicate this process on your mobile phone. So let's get into it. This video that I did on how to film with your mobile phone, I'm just going to take some of the clips and I'm going to import. I'm just going to drag it to my timeline. What I do with the main video is I cut out the lulls. Like you see this part where I'm trying to adjust my head and all of that. I cut that out of the video. So I run through the entire video, see which parts I was trying to look at my script and stuff like that, and I just cut them out. So basically your first cut will be the cut where you just remove the lulls, the the ahs, the parts where you're not really you're not saying anything that are very obvious without you having to play the video. So that's what I do for the first part. Now, when you're cutting your video, it's very easy for you to have a jump cut, like, oh, you're talking and maybe you say an or something and you want to cut that out of your video. When you cut out, make sure that the next frame that you do is probably zoomed in. Let me show you what I mean. So look at this video. I'm talking here. I'm about to talk here. Okay, so I'm going to zoom in on my face. So if there's an obvious jump cut, that's not going to show. So the next thing you want to do is get music. And of course, you want to get music that is copyright friendly or has no copyright or whatever. So what I do, I have three main sources that I go to. One is SoundCloud. The other one is the YouTube audio library. And third, which is my favorite, which is the one I use almost all the time, is called No Copyright Sounds on YouTube. I really, really love it because they have absolutely amazing selections of music, pop music and R&B music that I can use that I know that I won't get a copyright strike for. And all I need to do is simply copy and paste the credits and put in the description box of my video, which is just amazing. The YouTube audio library is also a really fantastic place to get music from because you're not going to get any copyright strikes as long as you look at the video and see the attribution that is required for each type of music. So let's continue. I make myself laugh sometimes. So now what you want to do is add the music to your video. So what I do here is to make sure that my music is at 50%, and then I lower the volume of other clips. So that brings it way down. So this is the video that I'm just using clips from it to show you guys how I edit. This is not an actual video that I'm editing at the moment. So this is just like sample. So let me show you guys what I do next. What I do next is to color correct. In this case, so the next thing I do is to add text. iMovie text, God, is so boring sometimes. So what I do is I actually go on YouTube and I see some titles, amazing titles. They're called green screen titles. They are absolutely amazing. The day I discovered this hack, I was like, oh, praise the Lord. There's this particular girl that I use, and her name is Gabrielle Marie. She's absolutely amazing. She does great quality green screens. Unfortunately, my dress, I had a major situation with my dress where my boobs were showing. So what I did here was to crop to fill just a little bit most of the video, because I didn't like the way it looked. So that looked a lot more decent. So what I do next is to color correct, and I don't do any major color correction. All I do is just adjust the brightness, adjust the contrast, then I add a little bit of saturation just to make it pop a little bit. And if it's not properly white balanced, I'll either make it warm or cold. But here it looks good, so I like it like this. And editing hacks and all of that, and she's just really, really good. So what I do is I go to her videos and I see what green screen title I like. So for instance, if I like look at this one, the Tumblr style green screen. So I look at it and then I just download. Once that is downloaded, I just pop it on my video. I cut very close to where the green screen begins. Yeah, that's it. And then I cut to where I want it to be. So you drag that over it and then you put your text over that, and that's it. So here I'm just going to type, I love you. Because I love you. So let's play this back. So that's one way that you can add character to your videos. Just download a green screen, but please remember to credit the creator of the green screen. So I also use green screens for subscribe buttons and maybe click buttons, things like that. When I want like the subscribe to be dancing around my video, all you need to do is just Google or check on YouTube green screen subscribe buttons, and you actually get one that you can lay over your video. So you can also make your own green screen. Standard video sizes are 1350 by 760p. So all you need to do is go on Canva, and with Canva, you can create custom sizes. So once I've done the titles, I've done my green screen, I've done my text, I've added the subscribe buttons and everything, what I would do is watch the video again and again. I try to watch it about 2 times, because the truth is, if you actually don't enjoy watching the video, chances are your subscribers are not going to enjoy watching it as well. So make sure that you create a video that is as interesting for you to watch as it probably will be for them as well. So this exact same method applies if you're editing with your mobile phone as well. It's just the same exact method. But let me show you an app that I absolutely love when it comes to editing with mobile and creating amazing titles. It's this app called Gravy, and with Gravy I can create custom titles. All you have to do is just click on the video, click on that plus sign at the top, and then add background. With the background, you can choose whatever background you want. You can add whatever effect you want. I just really like it for intro videos, and I used to use this. I've stopped using this because I found that the workflow was just a lot longer. But if you have to use your phone, use this. But this app is not free. You're going to have to pay for it. But if you want great looking titles, I figure it's a good app for you to buy and use. Now, once I'm done with that, I record my voiceover, because typically I record DIY videos, so it's usually my hands. So I record a voiceover to go on top of this. And what I use for my voiceover is actually my phone. I just put my phone on the table like this, and I record the voiceover. And while I'm recording, before I even begin recording, I clap 3 times. So the reason why I clap 3 times is because I sync the sound in post-production, and those 3 claps show me exactly where to sync, so that I'm not, just playing around with it for a while before I get the exact point. So once you're done with your video, you want to upload it on YouTube, and while it's uploading, you want to create your thumbnail. Canva has made it so easy for us to make fantastic YouTube thumbnails, and I think you should totally take advantage of that. Here is an app that I feel like this is the best app for every YouTuber to have. It guides me on SEO, on my tags, my descriptions, my everything that I need to do, my end cards, every single thing that I need to do regarding the back end of YouTube. And it also gives me a total SEO score, which is fantastic. So I really recommend downloading the vidIQ app. It would really, really help you. So what I want you to do after this video is to drop your YouTube channel handle in the comments below. And I hope that we all find your amazing content and subscribe to your channel, and we all rock this YouTube world together. I really hope you're inspired to start your YouTube channel. I will leave you with this quote by one of my favorite YouTubers, Lavender. She always says, "Done is better than perfect." And it's so true. You might not be making the kind of videos that you want to make right off the bat, but keep at it and you'll improve in no time. Till next Thursday. Bye, guys.